This is called babka. Some people classified it under cake, while some people see it as pastry. But whichever one you see, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make it. These are my ingredients. I will leave the full recipe in the description below. Let's get started. You can use dough mixer to mix it, and you can also use your hand. So in this video, I'll be using my hand. I combine all my ingredients into a mixing bowl and I mix together until dough is formed. I kneaded this for about 10 to 15 Leave it to rest for about 30 minutes before you roll it out. After spreading, I added my chocolate. This chocolate that make it to be called chocolate babka. You can add any other spread into your own and you can call it that spread babka. Then after spreading, fold the dough into 3 equal parts, leaving the edge with a touch of water to be able to bind together. Cut the dough into 2 inches size before cutting each of them into 4 equal parts, making like ½ inch to a strand. Give it a little stretch in order for it to have a longer length. Do not allow it to cut and be careful so that the spread will not come out. And here is the magic. Have the 2 strands on the table while you place the other 2 on top. Then raise one while you cross in the second one, and raise the second and cross in the other one. Then start crossing the 2 strands beside each other clockwise. And do this until you have crossed the 8 strands together as 4. Then move again anti-clockwise to make sure that you have crossed it back. So until you repeat the process until you get to the end of the strand. Hold it under and place it inside the oiled or prepared pan, and that is all. Okay, let's do it one more time. Repeat the process that we did previously. If you have watched this video to this point, that means this channel is for you. I would like you to be part of this community. The aim is to build culinary experts. Don't forget to subscribe or follow and encourage us more by liking this video. Thank you for watching. I'm Chef Nisi, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.